Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to use bash to count lines, words, or characters in a file. We can use word count command to print out the lines, words, or characters in a file. Let's try it. For example, I can use word count command and then pass in file name, so just file.txt. These are the lines, number of lines, and these are number of words, and these are number of characters. But if we want to print it individually, we can use wc with minus l option and the file name file.txt, and this will print number of lines. And if you want to print words only, we can do wc minus w and file.txt, and this will print number of words in a file. And then we can also print the number of characters in a file by using word count command, word count with -c option, and the file name file.txt, and these are the number of characters in a file. You can use ls minus l and the file name to get the more information about your file, and the number of total bytes there are in the file, and you can see over here 28. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.